Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Windows 10. So let's start the video. At first, click the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on it to open the Control Panel. Now go to User Accounts. Again, click on User Accounts. From the available options, click on Change your account name. Now type the new name you want, then click Change Name. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.